The example 4. We can find out the shortest path with our network analyst. I think everyone will need to use the shortest path function every day, like to find out the shortest path from home to office, or for product delivery. The driver can apply this function to decide the route from one point to another. For example, this one. If we want to plan a religion trip from UAE to Mecca, like this, we can add one point at here at UAE and add another point at maybe near Mecca, and to run the process to find out the shortest path. See, the road also will pass by Riyadh. That's useful when it comes to finding the shortest path or the best road. And the key points are shown as following. The most spatial one is before apply the network analysis. We will suggest you to use topology analyst to do the validation. Make sure there is no intersection between the line features. And then go on as the same with the other process. Design the workflow first and setting parameter and result. Final, publish as map service. Logic for designing the workflow, we may start from here. Deciding the elements. There are two essentials. We need to have raw feature layer here and determine the destination. As for barrier, it's optional. Next part is integrating the elements with the step. First, when we have raw feature layer, we need to transfer into network. Also, before adding destinations, we need to add point feature layer to save. After that, connect the newly added destination and network to perform the analysis. Furthermore, we offer a better solution for you all to save time on designing this process. You may go to our SuperGIS Developer Network website to download the sample SGD file. You can access this Developer Network webpage from our SuperGIS website. Like here, this is our website, www.supergischeck.com. And you can go down to here. There's a link to help you to find our SuperGIS Developer Network. And click on this icon. And this is our SuperGIS Developer Network, sgdn.supergischeck.com. And you can find the sample SGD file in the Resource Center and under SuperGIS Server API sample in JavaScript. And use the scroll bar to find out the shortest path. And you can download as a zip file. After you download the zip file, there are two. One is the HTML file, another one is the sample SGD file. The sample SGD file has already included the process. Let we check the workflow together. Now, the whole procedure for calculating the shortest path is shown in this figure. The main idea is this one: finding the shortest path. We firstly have a look on the upper part, the network. To generate the network, we need to have input line feature layer. That's the raw data we prepared. As for the lower part, here, it's adding destinations. So, we need to create stops and set as input while computing the shortest path. Before creating stops, it requires to add points as stops. Prior to that, we will need feature class as in point type. That's all for the two vital elements. As for the result, after calculating the shortest path, the result is not yet in vector format. Therefore, it needs to be exported to a new line feature layer. Finally, the line can be shown on the map. The concept of this workflow is easy. Best of all, you just need to change only two places on this workflow in a simple SGD file. One is here. The input line feature layer must be replaced by your own GIS data, your own roadmap. The other one is here. You need to alter the path of saving the point feature with your own physical folder. Just these two. You just need to switch this, modify in these two places. You can have in this shortest path function. Let's switch to the live demo by using the simple SGD file. Now, I have downloaded the zip file, and let me check on this. This is the one, the zip file. Let me drag this out, and we can open it and put our own GIS data in this one. So my data is in here, network, and add them all in to this SGD file. And you can remove this data and zoom to and change the coordinate system to the right one to fit with your own data here. And next, in the simple SGD, it is already included the toolkit. The function is under shortest path -simple. We can open it by right-click to design. And remember, there is only two places you need to change. One is here, input line feature. We can double-click on this one to switch to our own GIS data and press OK. And then the other one is here, creating start feature class. Double-click on this and change the location to save the point feature layer and to give under the temp folder here. And then remember to save the workflow. And then save the SGD, close it, and back to our SuperGIS Server Manager and publish again. And we can use this quick map publish and give a name, title, and give a path. Now, my SGD file is located on the desktop, this one. So including and publish, and we need to go get the configure on this SGD file. So click on this and click again on config icon, and remember you must switch to the processing and check this box to make sure the process is workable, and it's done. Now next is to creating website. So go to the application part to create a virtual website and give a name and choose the right config file, and next and click down so we can use the link to check the result. So it's the GIS data we have prepared, and we can find out using the shortest path by using this icon. Click on this to call out, and also use the add points by clicking to add points by clicking on the map. So let me Just add one point and then another one, and click done to run the process to find out the shortest path. Make sure my rule is the right one to saving my time from one point to another. Okay, that's the result. So if you want to change your location, your destination, you can also clear process result, clear input geometry, clear all, and add points again. Like here, maybe I want to go here this time. And to run the process again, it will find out the shortest path for you. Okay. That's all for my presentation today.